Alright, I figured out the traffic jam. We're here at the car show in Hillsboro. We got a beautiful Impala. Look at that thing. SS. Beautiful. Right next to it. 3-wheel motion. Cool. Here's it level. Monte Carlo. First 3 cars. Pretty cool. Another Monte Carlo. Cowboys. Lots more cars. Money lifted. Wow, look at this Chevy. Stance. That's great. Thing's cool. Another Chevy. This one's a step side. Oh, look at the bed of this one.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Just like Puerto Rico. It was awesome.
Pretty neat. They framed it all in. They welded it in a frame. There. Fuel cell. Pretty neat. The lunchbox. It's an SS, I believe. Oh, that's right there too. The old early 90s 454 manual. Cool thing. Alright, we got another Chevy. Step side. Chevy step side. Shiny rims. There it is. Another Chevy. It's slammed. Another step side. The rear side too, huh? Pretty cool. Look what's over there. We'll get to that in a minute. Alright, we're coming up on another Chevy. Another Chevy Silverado. There's got to be 22s. Wow, that interior is nice. That was flawless. Very cool. Alright, we got the Chevy lineup right here. We got that one, that one, that one, that one, and then there's a few more after that. Wow. It's pretty cool. Look at this Lincoln. Lincoln. It's all chromed out. Impala. Oh yeah. Nice. Nice Impala. Alright, now we're walking to the end here of the row. We got a 49 Fleet Line. This thing's pretty cool, guys. Look at that. It's pretty neat. This thing's tricked out to the max. Yeah. All the bells and whistles. Love that color. It's like a purple plum. There's the inside. These rims look nice. Look at that. That is cool. I think they're the owners. Right there. Is this your car? Good job. Say hi to the guys on the internet. Beautiful car. Yeah, that's a really good job, man. Now we got, what do we got over here? We got this colorful one. Let's go check that out. This colorful green one. Wow, that's cool. Got the pump in the back. Still sucks. Super clean. Nice work. Looks good. Look at this paint, guys. This thing's having its own party right here. Look at the trim. I don't know if you can see that, but some amazing trim on this thing. One wires, price, 15. Oh, 13. It's on 13.
I want the black suite. I want the black seats and the gray suede.
Let's see.
I want the whole top. Wait, because my shit's
Look at
great.
this paint job. This thing is amazing. I don't know if you can see it on TV there, but that was a pretty cool paint job. Pretty cool. That thing's awesome. Right next to it, we got this one. Yeah. There it is. Whatever one wants to see. That's this. Convertible. Look at that. Showing off the inside. Man, this looks really nice. Yeah, about everything you can chrome is chrome. Very cool car. Another cool car out here. Very cool. Yeah, we got just some regular cars over here that people are trying to sell. But I wanted to show you guys this on the green one. I don't know if you can see that. Even with the A-arms and stuff. That's crazy. That's wild. Got a bug for sale. For sale. If anyone's looking for one of those. An Impala again. Here. Yeah. And you can't even see it. So shiny. So much chrome. Look at the roof. Cadillac. There's a Lincoln. This is probably the coolest car here, I think. Bel Air. Look at the side skirts. Drop exhaust. It's all leather, man. Look at the interior. Bel Air.
But it's a beautiful car. Beautiful.
And this is the man who owns it, right here. Say hi to the internet. Hey guys.
Here's the boss.
That's awesome. Yeah, we're doing a video here live online. So. Beautiful car again. This is probably my favorite.
Thank you.
Very good job. Alright, that's a beautiful car right there. The other side, look at that exhaust. That exhaust is crazy. Right here. This might be another gem of the show. The Cuda 440 6-pack. The rumbler hood. The shaker hood, excuse me. Yeah, that thing is flawless. I don't know if you can see the inside. the car club out here. Felix Car Club. Making an appearance today. Look at the glove box in the window visors. Man. This thing's awesome. It's beautiful. There's that CUDA. That CUDA is one of the better ones here. It's beautiful. And we got another bike. This is the Krusty's bike or what? But got Krusty the Clown. Got the Lincolns, Cutlass, Buick. How it's sitting. Look at that. That thing's stretched. Way out there. Paula. It's getting busy here, guys. We got this one. This is a town car, I believe. Crazy paint job. We got the wagon. The wagon's pretty cool. Wagon on hydros. Look at that. Look, but don't touch.
Dude, look at that one on the back seat.
Look at that. There's pumps on the back. Alright guys, we're signing off. Here we are at the car show. We'll see you next time.